the 2017 Honda Accord. There is some noises. I don't know if it's from the engine or it's like when the battery chants. You could hear it now. Do you hear that sound? You hear that? That's the sound. That. You hear that sound? So I have to go to Honda dealer, and they told me it's normal, which I know it's not normal. So I want you guys to check it and then let me know, because it's not normal. To me, it's not normal. You heard that sound?